Let's start with oxidation and reduction reaction. In oxidation and reduction reaction, we have two concepts, traditional concept and electronic concept. Let's start with traditional concept by giving and taking away oxygen or hydrogen. Oxidation and reduction processes can be understood according to the traditional concept by the following chemical reaction. On passing hydrogen through hot copper oxide, hydrogen takes the oxygen away from copper oxide, forming water vapor, and black copper oxide turns into red copper. So, oxidation process occur to hydrogen. Why? Because it combines with oxygen. But copper oxide reduction process occur to the copper oxide because oxygen is taken away from it. So, the hydrogen is considered as a reducing agent because it took oxygen away from copper oxide, and copper oxide is considered an oxidizing agent because it gave oxygen to hydrogen. What's meant by oxidation? What is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation is a chemical process which causes the increase in the oxygen percentage or decrease in the hydrogen percentage. Reduction means chemical process which causes a decrease in the oxygen percentage or increase in the hydrogen percentage. What's meant by reducing agent? Reducing agent means substance which take oxygen away or give hydrogen during a chemical reaction. But oxidizing agent means substance which give oxygen or take hydrogen away during the chemical reaction. Number two, oxidation and reduction according to the electronic concepts by losing and gaining electrons, like the reaction between sodium atom and the chlorine atom to form sodium chloride molecule, table salt. Oxidation process occur to the sodium because it loses an electron and change into sodium ion, positive sodium ion. So the sodium is considered a reducing agent because it loses an electron during the chemical reaction and change into positive ion. But chlorine reduction process occur to the chlorine because it gain an electron and change into a negative chloride ion. So the chlorine is considered an oxidizing agent because it gain an electron during the chemical reaction and change into negative chloride ion. So what's meant by oxidation? Oxidation is a chemical process where the atom loses an electron or more. But reduction is a chemical process where the atom gain an electron or more. What's meant by reducing agent? Reducing agent means substance which lose an electron or more during the chemical reaction. Oxidizing agent means substance which gain an electron or more during the chemical reaction.